vacuum because of how dry my skin is. So I just put it on my face like this. I'm dry from the bottom. Massage my head like this. I look like a glowing ball. Yes! Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is maryybeatrice. Thank you for clicking today's video. For today's video, you're in my bathroom and we are going to do a little morning skincare routine. I've been trying out some new skincare routines and I've been into like my whole new Korean skincare era. Like I've been tapping into the Korean skincare. I have a couple new products that I want to show you guys since my last morning get ready with me. I can't even remember when the last time, but feel free to check it out. I'll put it right here. Other than that, let's get started. I got my headband on and I've got these two cute little handcuffs. My grandparents actually gave this to me for Christmas and it's so cute because they're always like, oh, I love watching your videos, and I always struggle with like having water on my face, so cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a Zio Skin. So this is the gentle exfoliating cleanser that I use. It's got like little beads in them, just like that. Feels like it's definitely exfoliating, but it's also like gentle enough that my skin doesn't feel so harsh afterwards. Because like for me personally, I've had like cleansers where literally I wash my face after. I feel like I was just like sucked into like a vacuum because of how dry my skin is. Wash it around my face like this. I also got a new lighting, so I hope the light is not too bad. These hands cut works really well. Like I'm dry from the bottom. So we're gonna start off with my toner. So this is the toner that I've been using. This is the Heal pad. I like this one because it literally acts like a mask almost. So I just put it on my face like this, let it soak in all the products. This one is for blemishes. I've been using it day and night. Looks like this. Perfect. So soft. And then I also try to like get it down here on my neck area, just because that's where I also have most of my blemishes, because I have pretty bad hormonal acne. I look like a glowing ball. Yes. Let's move on with my serum. So as always, I always try to go thinner product to thicker to really keep my face moisturized. So first, I try with my vitamin C. That's what it looks like. ASMR. Well, I've been sick for like the past I don't even know how many days anymore, but I've been coughing all night. My voice sounds so raspy. It's kind of annoying. It's been nice to kind of just like be at home, relax, and just chill out, because I feel like I always have such a hard time just like relaxing. So this is nice. Like I've been looking forward to like all my morning routines every morning, because that's kind of like my time to like really prioritize myself ever since being sick. So I like massage it in. I love this vitamin C because it's so smooth when you put it on your face. I love bringing this product when I'm traveling somewhere humid, just because like it makes it so glowy, like it just soaks into your skin. Let's move on to my serum. So this is the serum that I use. This was sent to me by Burrito. This is a Korean brand. Centella Serum Unscented for soothing. And I find that very helpful because I do have a lot of like, I still have a little bit of like active acne here and there. So I find it so nice. Oh, so soft. We are going to lock everything in with the moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I've been using. This is by Burrito. I always forget like my eye area up here. I put it on just like that, and then I move on with my Laneige sunscreen. I've been using the sunscreen for literally like a year now, just because, a year or two actually. I just love this sunscreen. It also feels very moisturizing. It has got SPF 50, UVA and UVB protection, and it's not greasy at all. To be honest, like in the beginning, I did feel like it was greasy. Then after a while, like especially in the really hot summer days, it actually made my skin feel less greasy. Also put it on my neck area. It's a little bit extra. I'm sorry, I don't do this every single day, but I like to like do a gua sha on my jaw. I should be doing this every day though. Like if I really need to like lock it in. Massage my head like this. Yes. Last but not the least, when I really want to relax, which I need lately, I put in the Peter Thomas Roth. This is a hyaluronic acid. I think I put it way too low. Oh my god. Here we go. I just brushed my teeth off camera. Oops. So gross. I'm sorry. And then now I'm using Vaseline as always to just put on my lips. Okay, guys, and then I just take this off. And that is pretty much it for my morning routine, you guys. So this is what my face looks like. I love doing it so far. Like for the past few days, I've just been like focusing on like my skincare, my health and all that, just because like me being sick again literally in the beginning of the year was like my wake-up call. Like I need to slow down, take care of myself, and just prioritize myself and self-care in general. So yeah, once again, my name is Beatrice, and I post videos every Sundays and sometimes Wednesdays or Saturdays. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. Bye.